20 years and thousands of successful projects ago, we were introduced to the Australian fixture manufacturer Caroma, and they completely changed our understanding of plumbing fixtures and sustainability. You see, in the 1980s, when conservation was still a bit of a dirty word in North America, Australians were facing a crisis. They were warned that at their current rate of consumption, they would exhaust their fresh water supply within 20 short years. The government called for help, encouraging industry to think differently about water. Caroma's head of R&D, Dr. Steve Cummings, answered the call by developing the world's first successful dual-flush toilet, initially saving every Australian household about 8,500 gallons of water annually. Caroma has always worked under the double pillar mandate, push the limits of water conservation without compromising design or performance. In short, it's conservation without compromise, and that's where sustainable solutions comes in. We became early adopters for dual flush and all things Caroma. We sold, marketed, and preached dual flush, but the moment dinner party conversations started regularly looping back to toilets and water conservation, we knew we were committed for the long haul. Around the year 2000, after some serious work with Caroma Australia, we became the licensed manufacturers and distributors of Caroma products in North America. Let's have a look at some of the reasons for that passionate devotion to a dual flush. What's really different about Caroma toilets is the flushing system itself. Caroma washdown toilets feature the largest trapways in the industry, making clogging virtually non-existent. And unlike North American siphonic systems, the waste goes down first, followed by the water, giving superior drain line carry. The flushing system is the biggest sell, but we should mention some of the other features quickly as well. Last year we added Smart Glaze to Caroma toilets, which alters the surface of vitreous china with nanoscale technology. The surface actually repels liquids and oils and inhibits the spread of germs, making our toilets easier to clean and stay clean longer. Caroma skirted bowls use Smart Connect. That allows for either 10-inch or 12-inch rough-ins, so installations are easy, and the feature that has won over a lot of plumbers, you never have to drill into the floor. And many of our toilets come with seats that quickly detach for really easy cleaning. This is our Somerton Invisi in-wall dual flush toilet. This toilet is WaterSense labeled, has a MAP score of 1,000 grams, and has really helped developments with lead points over the years. As much as we believe in dual flush, there are some environments that demand extreme water saving and single flush products. The SSI single flush washdown is WaterSense labeled, MAP premium tested at 800 grams, and works on 0.8 gallons per flush, making it perfect anywhere extreme water conservation is important. Pair any of these toilets with a Caroma basin for the start of a great fixture package. A few years after sustainable solutions exploded onto the North American scene with Caroma, gaining notoriety for style, water conservation, and performance, our developer and designer clients began asking us for complete kitchen and bathroom solutions, and thus, Fluid Faucets was born. Fluid offers new benchmarks of innovative design with unique features like extra-long supply hoses, quick connectors, swivel aerators to avoid splashback, and the new Quick Clean pop-up that prevents dirt, hair, and even engagement rings from falling down the drain. We've even created a great 12 O-ring connection system to install tub spouts and shower arms that allows plumbers to easily cut off excess where they need it and still ensure a watertight fit. Fluid focuses on always adding and improving value features. We create fixtures that will fit our customers' milestones, like buying a new home, starting a family, aging in your home, and yes, that even make life easier for your dog. Let's have a look at some of the Fluid product lineup. Switch was originally created as a retrofit shower bar that can easily change a shower-only system into one that can feature a rain shower head and handheld shower wand, all without touching the original plumbing or tile. What we've discovered, though, is that the flexibility offered by Switch also makes it perfect for new construction. Switch can be used in the most luxurious spa-like bathroom escapes or even in value environments where budget is key. It's all about choice. Sometimes small innovations make the biggest difference, like with the newly introduced Fluid FA802 shower bar. A wall outlet built right into this slide rail means you don't have to cut an extra hole into the tile to install it, giving the cleanest, most clutter-free installation possible. Fluid Thermostatic is a deluxe series offering stunning design paired with precision water temperature controls. But our pressure balancing system now offers one-way, two-way, or three-way valves with turning diverters, meaning they're catching up quickly to the flexibility of thermostatic at more attainable pricing. Fluid pressure balancing systems create affordable luxury. Of course, 2020 is all about matte black, and we're excited to say that our design team has been working on significantly expanding Fluid's matte black program, and it will be launching this quarter. This gorgeous look is already quoted on countless hotels, condominium, and home projects and will soon take a place of honor among our projects pages. As they say, the only constant is change, and our designers are always working on the next great design. Here's a quick insider peek at what's currently on our design table. Besides lots of exciting new style elements, we're always pushing to set the next benchmark in high efficiency, dual flush volumes like the new Somerton Smart that will flush using just 1 gallon for full flush and 0.8 gallons for half flush. To see more, visit our website sustainablesolutions.com or reach out to our team.